Annyeong! Welcome to the Corteciano family vlog.
So today, si Tito nagluto siya ng
Chicken fillet strips
with
chicken strips with mayonnaise.
So we will try this first and tingnan natin kung masarap.
Swakto. Swak? Kasakto. Sakto lang yung lasa. Masarap.
Ang chicken itself, halang siya, pero tama ra sa mga tao na dili kayo sila
Gusto ko lang.
kuanong halang mga kaon. Marami siya. Wala yung charot.
Do you wish to recreate this delicious dish? It's quick, it's easy, and the result is so tasty. Okay, well here's how to make chicken breast fillet. First, take the chicken breast and slice into small strips. Now, use a bowl for your dry ingredients. Add the all-purpose flour and the crispy fried chicken ready mix. No sponsorship intended here. In this case, I'm using the original flavor, but you can go spicy if you wish. Add your salt and pepper for seasoning. Now, grab a separate bowl. To this, we'll add 2 small eggs, and we need to beat these. Top tip, dilute the eggs with a little water. Now, here comes the magic. Start coating the chicken strips in the bowl. Use your left hand for coating the chicken and your right hand for applying the flour and the chicken ready mix. That keeps our hands from getting too messy. Next, gently press the coated chicken into the ready mix and allow those flavors to infuse. While doing the breading, have your pan heated, bringing it to the desired temperature for the frying process. Test the oil by placing 1 strip into the pan. The sizzling sound is ideal for cooking delectable chicken strips. It's very quick, this process, approximately 7 minutes until a golden brown coating is evident. I can hear your tummy rumbling. The dish can be served as a snack or even a meal with rice. I prefer to use a dip, mayo, barbecue, or the classic tomato sauce, all for the perfect accompaniment. I hope you enjoy making the dish and even more so, tasting the succulent chicken breast fillet strips.
If you like this video,
Please subscribe and